I'm mad.
Kate, I have to go.
No, I'm mad. You can't leave.
Stop, I only have freaking 40 minutes now.
I'm mad. I want my chicken sandwich. Tell us why you mad.
Tomorrow after work, we'll smoke and make these.
Smoke and make these?
Yeah.
Oh, these videos? I thought you meant the chicken.
I'll get the recipe from Wendy.
Wendy!
Alright, let me go.
No!
Kate, please. I have to
No!
go. Please.
No!
Come on, I only have 40 minutes now.
Oh, I'm putting baby only on 40 minutes. You got a 10 o'clock curfew. 10 o'clock curfew for the poor little baby. I won't ever let Sarah leave. Vote Sarah Jackson for best dressed.
Show my pants.
Cool, yo. Ooh, we out. Bye.